Hey guys, welcome back to Rapid Case Challenges Pharmacology. It's Pharmacist Tyson, your host. Today we got some math for you. If you're like most people, either you love math or you absolutely hate it. And today we're going to be talking about unit conversion methods, two in particular. So let's go ahead and hop right on in. What total volume of drug will I need if I want to give 50 milligrams per kilogram per day for 10 days of amoxicillin 400 milligrams per 5 ml to a child that weighs 52 pounds? Holy smokes, there's a lot of different numbers here. So we got a few conversion factors. As you can see, we have 50 milligrams per kilogram per day right there, and we've got 400 milligrams per 5 mLs. We have some solid days and a weight. All right, now in the healthcare field, we do not weigh or calculate weight based on pounds, so we're going to have to convert that into kilograms. And so I'm going to go ahead and just give that conversion to you right now. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to convert from pounds to kilograms. Do that by 52 pounds times 1 over 2.2. We know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Our pounds cross out, we're left with kilograms, and that gives us 23.6 kilograms. Now that's a rounded number that's going to be important later on, so remember that. We then take that 23.6 kilograms and multiply it by 50 milligrams per kilogram, because we want to try to find milligrams. Our kilograms cancel out and we're left with milligrams. That gives us, remember, this is per day. So this is 1,180 milligrams per day. We will continue to bring that up and we will try to convert that into a volume now. So we know that it's 400 milligrams per 5 mLs or 5 mLs per 400 milligrams. We want our milligrams to cancel out so that we are left with mils, and that gives us 14.75 mils per day. Remember, it is for a day, but we are looking for 10 days. So what we do is we take the 10 days and we multiply that by our 14.75 mils per 1 day. Our days cancel out and we're left with mils. And this is going to give us our total mils, our total volume. So this method is called the dimensional analysis method. As you can see, there's a lot of numbers, there's a lot of writing, there's 4 different equations. It can be a lot, but it's a sure way to get to the final answer. However, I would like to show you a different way. I call it the train track method. It is used quite common in pharmacy school and in other areas of mathematics and science, but it goes like this. We once again start with our 52 pounds, and we have our conversion factor as such. So they are the exact same. Our pounds cancel out. Excellent. And then we do our next conversion factor right next to it. Our kilograms then cancel out. All right, we use our next conversion factor, which is 5 mils per 400 milligrams. All right, that is the exact same. Our mils cancel out. Now remember, that is per 1 day. All right, so just remember that. We are looking for a total of total mils. So we have our 10 days, days cancel out, and we are left with mils, which is what we want. We want total mils. All right, so in a sense, this is a big long equation. 52 times 1 times 50 times 5 times 10 divided by 2.2 times 1 times 1 day times 400 milligrams. All of our units cancel out. We are left with mils, and that gives us a grand total of roughly about 147.5 mils. Now I say roughly 147.5. It's the exact same answer. The only difference is this method here does not require any rounding, as you can see up here. Okay, so the true answer came out to be 147.72, I think, and so that 0.2 mils is a rounding error between the two. What I would suggest, my recommendation, is the train track method for a couple of different reasons. It it eliminates rounding, and it gives a more precise answer, and ultimately it's just a whole lot less writing when you're doing this out by hand, and it turns out to be a whole lot easier. So still get the same answer, and everything crosses out. The big thing is just make sure that you know what you're starting with and what you are trying to get to. Make sure that the variable or the unit that you want is there on top, because it's going to be that unit over 1. Long story short, it just makes that is your total volume, your total unit, and as long as that doesn't cancel out, you're okay. So I hope this made sense to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I don't mind working with you on more math problems just like this one. There's more to come, so we'll watch more videos. Go back and rewatch this video as many times as you want. Once again, Pharmacist Tyson. I'm here to help any way that I can. Please reach out if there's anything else I can do for you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.